back to my channel. It feels like we've not seen in a while. Yeah, I know, but hey, I'm back, and today we're going to do something different. As you can see in the caption, let me just start the way the caption says this video is going to be. So as I don't see for this caption, say today we go do makeup tutorial in Pidgin English. How many of you are they excited? I don't know. Anyone? I just said that. How many of you are they excited? Because I did very excited for this, because I never do something like this before. I never do something will be like this before. God, this is gonna be hard. But we go do everything together. We go help me, I go help you, something like that, and we go finish this whole tutorial for Pidgin English. Mwah! So my people, I don't go do my eyebrow, and I don't go do this eye, so that make time no just meet us, make next week no meet us here, so make it for no loss. So we go do this eye together. So with the color where I use as my transition color, now this very cute color here, like I like this color so much that the love where I get for this color is plenty, because I dey use them often. So now that one I go use for my transition color like this. I think say now they see what I they do. So just small sha, you go get them. Like say you dey blend at the same time you dey apply. I don't know what's in be blend for Pidgin, but I beg, if you know what's in blend me for Pidgin, please tell me in the comment section, make I know. So as I dey blend, they go blend everything, make everything day fine, and make everything day smooth and well blended. So before I apply my eyeshadow, I go first prime my eyes. The purpose of priming eyes now make the eyeshadow last long and make the eyeshadow no con they do jump. Wetin jump mean for English? Now make it no the crease, so that it doesn't crease. So I don't know what crease be for Pidgin, so make you help me too. So we go prime our eyes now, and I go use my primer to prime my eyes. So the color where they use now, this color, these two colors, this one and this one, these two, they be like say this one are purple, and then this one are pink. So we go put two of them together, maybe so that we go achieve this one. So that we go achieve this one where they my my left eye. So maybe just put them like that. So as they press them like this, maybe they look at it and they do. Okay. So I just press them like this. This one a mini cut crease, because I know they blend them. If you see this one, line still there here, this place. So I know blend the primer. So now mini cut crease we did do. Just like this. So after I finish that one, we can remain now the foundation, and the foundation we're going to use today now black opal even true foundation. And I know they use that other classic where they used today. Maybe I just change, just change foundations today. So and I they apply them with a brush, a flat brush. So I go just take like maybe like 2 or 3 palms on my hand, just drop them, pew, pew. Just maybe like this much, or what? Like that's plenty or something like that. Maybe not, just forgive me. I don't really understand this Pidgin like that. So I could just apply them. I don't prime my face already with Zaran primer, so I just apply the foundation on my face. When you apply foundation, you guys be careful, because you don't apply too much at a time, because if you apply too much at a time, it go very difficult for you to blend. So small they do tinini another one that my highlights, and for my highlights I will use Usha's mattifying covered concealer to apply, to use take apply this highlight. So I go put them on the places where sun go hit my face. If I go outside, you know, some places where sun will just boom on your face like that. So places like this on my face, places like this, places where be like this. God, I can't keep up. Places where be like this, places where be like this, and places like this. The center part of my nose, they call them bridge of the nose. So my forehead part too, I go do everything like that. So after I do that one, I go blend everything. I blend them well with a beauty blender. So I go to blend them well like this, just small like that. You get one friend where I get, her name is Jennifer Patrick. Yo, I know say she go watch this. Anytime I speak Pidgin for her house, or anytime we dey together and they speak Pidgin, just they laugh me. So that she inspired this video actually. I'm like, hey, okay, oh, make una judge my Pidgin English skills, whether I try or I no try. Cause that girl, the way she dey laugh at me, sometimes I dey feel like say make I dey cry. But I want when I make una judge. This Pidgin sweet for my mouth, I be no sweet. So shout out to Jennifer Patrick. Wait till we shout out for Pidgin. Oh, hello Jennifer, I hail you. So as the blend they go, just blend everywhere. Make sure say no harsh lines there as you they blend everything they go. So I don't already set my face, and as the face they set, I want use that time do my lip. So you know, say my lip, I know they like loud colors on my lip. So today I go use brown pencil and lip gloss, and this lip gloss is now one of my favorite, like now my favorite right now, by Kiss Beauty. It's Gelilious lip gloss. It's like strawberry. Where you put on for your lip, it go to feel very, you know, very nice, and the smell alone, the smell they very lovely, and it smell now mango butter, aqua berry, and that. But I like them. Like I can just now some days when I don't want to even do makeup, or when I don't want to even just do anything on my face, I could just put this and I go like enjoy the way it feel for my lips. So the thing called, I don't even know. So the brown pencil where I go use now, this Tara brown light brown pencil. Yeah, Tara light brown pencil. So I go just use line my lip, then I'll use this one. That easy. Now so easy reach. Okay. So I did line my lip like this. As you know, they see. I get very dry lips, so that's why sometimes I like make I use glossy lipstick, so my lip no go dey dry and peeling and all that. So I use this one, just line the corner of my lip, then I go use the lip gloss all over it. Then for all over my face, I will use my Milani, yeah. Use my Milani powder and just put them all over my face. Not too much, like I said, you know. Oh God, like I said before, not too much. Everything about the thing about makeup, the thing we go make your makeup look very unique and very fine. Now when you don't add too much product at once, when you don't put products wey plenty jabrata on your face at once, people go dey look say who dey pass, you know. So just small you go get wetin you want and how you want it. So a little bit of this on my face. Then when I don't finish with that one, the almost last thing, if that made any sense, where I go use na the highlight. And today I dey use the bronzer by Jordana bronzer. The label where I use by today. Now Jordana bronzer. So I could just put them on my cheek like this. Nice. So just like this, a little bit. Then to the other side, like this on my face. Then my nose side, just tiny little bit of it on my face, and my forehead. Not be like this I start to. We go from 0 to 100 like English people they talk about. She went from 0 to 100. So the final thing, this is going to now this one will make your makeup stay like till evening, or till when you're ready, or till whenever you want to make the makeup go off. So now this one then they call finishing spray, and this one are from my lovely Zaron finishing spray. So now so we go finish. So now so we go end this look today. Thank you for watching this my video. If you get anything when you want to tell me about this look where we create today, I beg tell me for comment section. Nice things, I beg. Just tell me how you feel about this video where I show now today. And before you leave, you go see two hands, like I don't know what to call them. One day like this and the other one day like this. You see this one way they like this, this one way they like this. I beg, help me click on before you leave. Just help me click, just do pew. Help me click on before you leave, I beg. And after that one, you go see one corner. I think it's not this corner, or this corner, where they write subscribe in red, in I don't know the color, but they write subscribe in capital letters. I beg, help me click on that subscribe button. I beg, I beg you, please help me click on the subscribe button. And please let your friends, tell them to make them come to this channel, make them watch my videos, and make them click on the subscribe button too. So I will see you in my next video. If you like this, I don't say it before, I will say it again. If you like this, please comment. So next time we will come back to our normal English. Okay, so see you, bye.